Hey everyone, this is Abdul from Learning Q&A. Today's topic is how to make a passive income. Earning money while you sleep or sip mimosa on the beach is a dream for so many of us, and even those who say is it not are probably lying. But is it possible to get rich without lifting a finger? With these 5 ingenious passive income ideas, you will be one step closer to living your dream life. So first know about what is passive income. However, passive income is not a magic money making stream that will reach you overnight or without doing any work. It's a way of maximizing return, guys. Passive income can be a great way to help you generate extra cash flow. Whether you're running a side hustle or just try to get a little extra cash month. So guys, in this video I will show you 5 passive income ideas that you can start to generate money while you sleeping. Before entering this video, if you want to start making money online or become an entrepreneur, in my channel I will teach you all about making money online. Click subscribe to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get an instant update. Guys, if you think this video is valuable for your time, put some like and share it with your friends. The first passive income idea is to start selling on Amazon KDP, which means Kindle Direct Publishing. In this Amazon KDP platform, where you can sell books and paperbacks. If you are a good writer, you can make a decent amount of money. And if you are not a writer, don't think like I'm not a writer, then how can I make money? Feel free, guys. Even if you are not a writer, you can publish no content book or low content book to make a passive income. So guys, in my channel, I already published a video about how to make money with an Amazon KDP low content book. So go to find that video. I attach the link to the card and the description. I will give you some low content book ideas, guys, that you can create and publish to make a passive income. Number one, ruled notebook. Second one is logbook. Third, contact book. Fourth one is address book. Fifth one, kids coloring book. And sixth one is handbook. Guys, before you can publish any of your book, do keyword research and analyze your competitor how they behave. So guys, the second passive income idea is to start Merch by Amazon. What Merch by Amazon is? It is a print on demand service. You can upload your design and artwork. However, don't think you are not a designer, then how can I make money with this? Don't worry about it, guys. I will tell you later what you can do. The only thing is you can create the right design. If it was a new year, you can design new year related or go to Google Trend to find which is trending on internet and design related to it. And guys, sometimes you don't get approval from Merch by Amazon, so feel free, you can join other services like Redbubble or Printify, which are also a big print on demand platform where you can list your product. And don't worry about shipping customer service, guys, because all of this will be taken care of by our print on demand services like Amazon and Redbubble. So you can upload the design only, sit back and count your earnings. How to design your artwork, guys? So you can use Canva to create your design, guys, because it has a lot of feature and user friendly. You can use it to create your design. The third passive income idea is start selling digital goods, guys, which mean digital products. Selling digital product is one of the super way to generate a passive income, guys, because you can create your product only one time in your life, but you can sell it on multiple times. So guys, what digital product is, which is also called e-product. Basically, you can sell your printable books, artwork, or anything in digital format. For example, if you create a printable daily planner, you can sell it on online marketplace like Etsy and Gumroad. I already published a video about how to make money by selling digital printables on Etsy. I attached the link in below description. Guys, the fourth passive income idea is start podcasting. In 2019, it seemed like everyone starting a podcast from celebrities to YouTuber and more. Podcast network has a big community you can join and make money, but it's not happen overnight. The podcast is also same as YouTube, but you don't need to record a video. You can just record your voice and post. Guys, podcast is also a way to generate a passive income, but it is different from other passive income. It is because if you're publishing a podcast, you won't get paid. You need to collaborate with brands and make money. Otherwise, you won't. Yeah. And guys, in the next video, I will teach you 7 way to make money with podcasting. So click subscribe to my channel and don't miss that video, guys. So the fifth passive income idea is to start freelancing. Freelancing means you can sell your service and make money. There is a lot of website to sell your service, guys, like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, People Per Hour, and more. As a beginner, you can also provide your service to make money in these platforms. So in the first step, you need to be clear about what service you offer and don't provide a service that you don't know. Provide a service that you have. Like if you are a web developer, you can publish a web development service, or if you are a graphic designer, provide a graphic design service, guys. And guys, if you don't have any skill or you don't know which service you can provide, I already uploaded a video about 5 fiber gig ideas that require no skills and knowledge. And guys, the final thought is don't expect you can make money just doing this work only. You need to put your hard work. One day you will achieve your goal.